In this video, we're going to show you how to make a great acai bowl using the Yonanas. Through traveling and competing, I fell in love with acai bowls, so my family and I started making them back here at home. So all you need is some frozen fruit. So I have some blueberries, mango, bananas, and of course, acai, nicknamed Purple Gold.
Acai, if you've never heard of it, is an antioxidant-rich berry that comes from Brazil. It makes it very popular among the Jiu-Jitsu community and athletes in general. It is very high in vitamins, low in calories, low in fat, and also if you buy it like this, you can get it without sugar added, which is what we do because it makes it a little bit better for you. It has high calcium, which is going to be good for your muscles, your bones, and your nerves, and it also helps prevent heart disease and lowers cholesterol. So let's get into making these bowls. So when you take these packets out of the freezer, they're quite hard. You're going to need to soften them under some warm water to get them ready for the Yonana machine. So once you start running them under water, you just want to break them into 3 or 4 pieces that are going to fit into the machine a little bit easier, making your dessert a lot easier to make. Yonanas is so simple to use. All you have to do is put your favorite frozen fruit through this chute, push it down, and you will end up with delicious soft serve. So Logan's gonna layer the fruits that we chose, the mango, the acai, the bananas, and the blueberries. And then before he turns it on, he'll put that topper on there that's gonna push the fruit through. Once you've pushed all the fruit through the machine, all you need to do is stir it up so that you get that nice smooth consistency. So now that your bowl is ready, you can add the toppings that you like to put onto it. Today we're gonna add strawberries, kiwi, a little bit of agave for some sweetness, and granola.
So here it is. This is my favorite breakfast, especially before a hard training session.
So we hope you all go out there, buy Yonanas, get some acai so you can enjoy this too. Make sure you like this video, leave some comments, and subscribe to our channel.